Okay, this is a tutorial for La Bamba on number 77 in the Red Book, Tradition of Excellence, Book 1. I'm going to zoom in on my hands, give you some pretty decent close-ups as best I can. Remember that for all notes except for the C, you're going to have your thumb, your skinny part on the left hand, depressed. Okay, so make sure that's always engaged unless you're playing C, which is going to be what? Pinky pointer, pinky in the right, pointer in the left. That's when it hangs out. Otherwise, though, it's going to be down for all the other notes. The majority of this is going to be on the first measure. So E flat, B flat, A flat. It's pinky, pinky, 1, 2, 3. And then the C, pointer and pinky only. Back to thumb engaged, and 1, 2, because this is an A natural. So A flat, C, A natural, B flat, A natural, B flat. So again, the next bit is going to be on measure 3, 4, 5, and 6. I would suggest doing this area with all the top notes if no one's giving you a designation. It's always good to practice those high notes. E flat, and then C, D. Remember, D is no pinky. So again, measure 3 is. And then when you get to measure 5, that's going to be a high G, higher G. Again. When you get to the last two measures, you got E flat, C, D, F, F, A flat. We saw A flat earlier in the song, all the way back here, but it was low. Good news, it's fingered the same way up high. A flat up there. Okay, so that A flat is also the same fingering. And then here's the last measure. I'm going to do that again slowly. Last measure. Last 4 notes. Don't forget to raise the index finger on the last note. Last measure. Okay, and that is La Bamba from beginning to end, knowing all the notes. Now, when you go to play it with smart music, obviously you have to do the repeats. You got to play it in one fell swoop. So practice these mini phrases lots of times until they're great and you just can't mess them up. Then start putting it together with the backing track. Remember that you can slow down the tempo in smart music. Coming over here, 104 is kind of fast. Drop it. Drop it like it's hard. Bring it down to a place where you can successfully get through it. If you can play it in one fell swoop slow, then it's just a matter of sleeping on it, rinsing, repeating until you can get a little faster. Eventually, this is going to be easy. You won't have to think so hard. Good job.